Hey YouTube, this is Ieasha from Elaborate Designs by Ieasha, and I am in here showing you my craft closet slash closet for my girls' toys slash my everything closet. I was going to show you how I organized it, and I am going to go ahead and get that started because I want to be organized for 2019. I do not want my closet to look this way. So I will be showing you how I am going to organize this. Okay, I'm back after organizing my closet, and as you can see, it is organized with the different things that I need where it's right handy for me. On the top, I have glass items as well as cups. On the second row, I have ribbon and some buckets. On the third row, I have boxes and gift bags. On the fourth row, I have a box with ribbon in it as well as my paint, glitter, and I have some candles there. And at the bottom, I have different boxes and cups and different things down there that I can just reach down there and pick up. And I'm getting organized for 2019. And this is my closet organization. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.